morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Fine, sir.
What, sir? Yes, sir, my father was calling. I don't know, sir. I think about fees or something he want to talk. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. There are, I don't remember all the names of ruler, but I remember two ruler, Harihara 1 and Harihara 2. Another project about maths.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to write the square root and cube root. We have to make a chart, prepare a chart on which we have to write the square root and cube root of numbers. Yes, sir. It's too easy. Sir, there is only one topic. Only we have to make a one project. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Me. We have to make a chart on square root and cube root.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I hope.
Sir, we also got on computer project.
I am.
We have to prepare a smart digital school and we have to label that what are the features of that smart digital school like smart class, uh, lab, mm,
Yes, sir.
smart classroom. So I think where we study on where do sir, I don't know that much.
Yes, sir. It has a digital board with Wi-Fi connected, and we have ID cards to give attendance, and that's it. Yes, sir.
um, and how about other things like something which is beyond our physical classroom, like can we use VR glass in our today's classroom, digital classroom? What if you had a VR glass for each of you in classroom? Can you imagine that, like you all are wearing VR glass and teacher is even wearing the VR glass and teaching you all? Isn't it digital classroom? Can we
I
use?
Yes,
think yes.
Okay, that's great. And next project?
biology.
Biology, yes. What were the topics?
We have to make a chart on how curd formation is.
Okay,
How curd is formed.
card.
And what are the bacteria present in it and why they are important to our body and what are the benefit we get from curd.
So let me know more about it. Like how does a card form? And this is for Aradhya.
We have to take a bowl in which we have to pour the milk, and we have to take a little amount of curd, and we have to pour that curd into the milk and keep it for for some time, for a night, and don't have to touch it or disturb it, and then the
Until
next morning we will.
it takes the form of card,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right?
uh,
And
and next
yeah.
morning we have our curd ready.
Okay. Then once the card is formed, what did you do with it?
We will of
What,
course
sir?
eat it.
Hmm?
Of course we will eat it.
Like how you eat it, with sugar or with salt?
Sir, I don't know because I don't eat curd.
You don't like it, Aradhya?
No, sir.
Sir, I eat it with sugar, and sometimes I make raita of it and eat it.
Okay, very good. Rosni, what was our next topic from bio?
Next topic from bio. We have to grow a plant.
Yes, we grow a
We
plant.
have to,
Yeah. Then.
yes, sir. And we have to take a step by step picture
Hmm.
and make a file. We have to paste that picture and write what are the differences happen in day 1, day 2, day 3.
Observation.
Yes, sir. We have to observe and write and make a file, and we have to submit in school with plant.
With plant. That's a great project.
Yes, sir.
So did you complete the project?
No, sir.
Where is your plant?
So we don't grow a plant.
Why? This is principal man's project, right?
Yes, yes, sir. We know.
So she will probably going to give you 5 stars for not completing your project, completing her project with long sweets. You got my point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us talk about. No, no, I think time is off. From tomorrow, we will be diving into our syllabus. All right, inform your friends to join the class
Okay, sir.
regularly because exam is approaching near, and we have to complete chapter from grammar. We have a lot of chapters
Okay, sir.
left. Yes or no? We have
Yes,
done
sir.
Yes,
done with
sir.
our syllabus and complete your LC. Um, fill all the LC chapters, like chapters which have been taught, which have already been taught in class from literature, and from tomorrow we will continue with. Now someone is joining the class. Need to sing. Who's need to sing? Saket, this is not your.
No, sir. He is Vavashwat.
Vivaswat, this is not your class. Uh, After this, okay. It's time. Thank you so much for being here. You may leave the class.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.